To transfer money from the Navy Federal app, start by opening the app and signing into your account using your login details. Once you're on the home page, click on the Transfers tab, located in the navigational bar at the bottom, and select the View or Add Accounts option. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and choose the type of account you want to add. You can add the account by email or account number. Simply fill in the required details in the provided field. Tap Continue, and then Add Account to complete the linking process. After linking the account, go back to the Transfers tab and select Make Transfers. Enter the source account, the linked recipient account, the amount, and the date on the details page, and then hit Continue. Review the transaction details on the next page and tap Make Transfer to complete the process. With these simple steps, you can easily transfer money from the Navy Federal app.